Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Quinn here, and today I'm just setting up my April month and my Moterm. So what I have here is just a journaling piece here from Amazon. It came like in a big pack. I have the two full sticker sheets from Sweet Tea Plans. All of this is from Sweet Tea Plans. I just recently hauled it. I have the calendar as well as like some listing or like to jot things down. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this down really quickly. Nothing too fancy. So nothing too fancy, so let's go ahead and get right into it. Let me pin this down. Okay, so I need to decide what side I want what on. That already looks good like that, so I might do it like that. Both ways are really cute. Just pick one and go. So I think I'm gonna put the house on this side and try to be careful. This is my first time using like a big sticker. But it's super fun because it's like one and done, you know? But I'm not putting or doing too much in my planner for this month, like in my monthly section, because I do plan on using my other planners, which will make it easy for me. I feel like that's crooked, but it is what it is. It's down. It is crooked. I try to put it as straight as possible, but okay, that side is down. Let's go for the other side. This is like so cute. This one is called Flowers in her shop, and then this one is called Spring Cottage. Trying to put it right on the dots. I actually should have went all the way in. Gosh, I have so much anxiety right now. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not even gonna worry about it. I'll just cut the extra off. Okay, so like that, and then I wanted to put this out. These are from Dollar Tree, and I put like the month calendar on there. I don't know if I want it like in over here, over there. So let's see. Let me find the number. I hope this shows up. All the better reason for me to put it in a certain spot. Okay, let's put this here. Oh, and that's gonna cover up the little road. Let's put it on this side, because I don't want to cover up that. Put that down, and then we will put number 4 for April. Okay, and then next I'm going to put down the calendar, which this is gonna be the fastest setup I've done. All right, let's make sure I go all the way in this time. All the way. Easy peasy. Let's do the other side. Oh no. What do y'all have planned for the month of April? Like, this is the last month before school lets out in May. I wonder if it's the same for everybody. Like, does everybody get out in May? Okay, I had to cut that because it did not want to come off. So yeah, this is like the last full month of school down here in Florida for us. Then comes all of the fun stuff. I'm trying to make sure I line it up perfectly. And then we plan all of the summer fun. Let me grab little icons to put here. I'm gonna use this, and then I need another one because I used one of them that was on there. Okay, I found another one, but that one doesn't have April Fools on it either. Okay, I cannot find it, so we're just gonna go with what we have. So I wanted to put Good Friday. Good Friday, Easter Sunday, and then Easter Monday, then there's one more. Just gonna go ahead and move on to putting in the next big stickers, which is this. I like these boots to go on this side, so let's put this one down first. And we are going. Oh, this paper is working against me. This notebook is working against me. I'm like fighting for my life trying to hold this paper down. And I wanted to show you all, I did release these paper clips. They come in 5 colors. I did go ahead and release them in my shop, so I will put the link down below if you're interested, because that was still not helping me. Please don't be Cricut. Oh, there's like a bubble. Oh, this is my first time working with big stickers, you guys. There's like a bubble. Okay. There's little, oh, it's moved out. Okay, awesome. All right, and then let me go ahead and put the other one on this side. Like, there's so many like different boxes on here. I really don't have to do anything or draw anything because I can't draw anyway. So this is like a win-win for me. It is a win-win. Okay, awesome, awesome. I forgot I had this too, and this looks really cute. And I think, oh, I forgot about my clip. I think I'm going to try to glue. I don't have to glue it down. Oh no, I'm gonna glue it down. Okay, and I'm gonna gonna put it in this corner because I love it there. I like how it looks in the corner. Oh, it's not straight. It's not perfect. It's not perfect. Okay, we will go with it. And here I'm just gonna put my memories here. I'm going to put memories, and then I'll write all my memories over here. I think that'll be cute. I almost wrote too big. After that, and then this whole page will be for my memories. And then the last thing that I want to put is habit tracker, but I wish I had a habit tracker that fit in here already. Okay, so for my habit tracker for this month, I just cut grid from a printable. So I'm going to do it like that and like put my habits over here on the other side. But I also wanted to find some florals that would kind of go with the theme that's going on over here. I have this book that I picked up like 2 years ago, and there's still some florals and some boxes. So look at this page. So I might use some stuff from there. Let's go about there. And then put the other one on the other side. Got glitter everywhere. Trying to make sure I get those corners. Alright, and then put this one here. And then we'll put our flowers and decorations around it. Let's see. Put the tag over here at the top. And then just put flowers all around. And then I'm gonna write in habits. All right. So that is it for this quick monthly plan with me. For the month of April, I'm gonna do a quick flip. So here is the little dashboard. I really love this. This is so cute. I love that. Got the little flower shop, and you got the treats you can see on the inside of the window. That's so beautiful. And then we have our month. And then I do need to write in for this page. I'm gonna write in my my videos, my IG uploads, shop information, and school things for the boys, what I'm listening to and what I'm reading. And I have my memories and my habits. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Bye.